Hello, my name is Kelton Glovey with Roadwear Incorporated. This is a movie about roadwear 10-minute concrete mender. If you want to repair a crack in concrete, this is the way to go. Take a 4-inch diamond grinder, clean out the crack. Use a shop vac to pick up any excess dust. You only have to go about a 1/4 inch deep for most cracks. If it's bigger, you might have to go back a few times. When you're all done, take your shop vac. Suck up any dust or dirt that may have been generated. This will make sure you have a nice clean surface to bond to. Concrete mender is a very, very thin polyurethane that can penetrate deep into concrete and deep into cracks, so you can get by with having a little dust in there, but it's best to get it as clean as you can. Here's how to assemble a cartridge. Pull everything out of the foil barrier bag. Pull off of the protective cap. Underneath, you'll find a flow restrictor. Pull off those 2 D-plugs and place that flow restrictor over the end of the cartridge, aligning the holes with the holes in the cartridge. Place the mixture over the top and seat it over it. Drop on the nut, screw that down tight. Then put it in the application gun, the double caulking gun. Keep it pointed upright. What you're going to do is you're going to go from side to side as shown here to bleed out any excess air that's in the cartridges. Then carefully shoot a little bit into a waste container to get the mixing started. Start applying material directly into the concrete crack. Use nice even strokes. Notice how the concrete mender will penetrate deep into the concrete and even get into those little hairline cracks. This material is only 8 centipoise with a surface tension 1/3 of water, so it actually penetrates into the concrete and grabs onto the rock. Follow up with some silica sand. That'll keep it from running all the way down to the bottom and getting underneath the slab for you. Finish off that sand with a little trowel. Then you can come back over with some more concrete mender. Give it another shot. The key here is to make sure you have the sand completely saturated with concrete mender. Add some more sand if needed, more material if needed. Strike off any excess and allow it to cure. Come back in about 10 minutes, you have fully hardened material, about 4,500 psi polymer concrete. Take a scraper, shave off the excess, and you get a nice, smooth, flat repair that has fully protected the sidewalls of that crack and structurally bonded the concrete back together. If you want to finish it in even nicer, take a finishing stone and rub that repair into the concrete. Now you can just leave it as it is. You can paint it, coat it, do whatever you want to do. Over time, it'll tend to blend in even better than it looks here. Roadwear 10-minute concrete mender is available from distributors throughout the United States and many parts of the world. Or you can find us on the web at concretemender.com. Our phone number is 800-522-7623.